2006 Malibu LTZ 4-door sedan, chrome wheels, power sunroof, rear spoiler, car does have some dents and some scratches. Clean Carfax report though, no accidents, no issues. Odometer reads 136,000 miles. V6 engine, power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, leather interior, heated seats, power sunroof, leather wrapped steering wheel, CD player, automatic climate control, side impact airbags, back seats fold down. Nice big trunk. You can see pictures and pricing information on our website, hometownwausau.com. We offer easy no money down financing options, great interest rates. Feel free to give us a call at 715-675-1000. We're open 6 all week until 2 on Saturday. Thanks for watching.